कुछ उठाते या खेलते वक्त आपको एल्बो में पेन होता है क्या? ये टेनिस एल्बो हो सकता है। चलो आज समझते हैं कि ये क्यों होता है और आप इसके बारे में क्या कर सकते हो। आज हम लेके आए हैं एक सिंपल गाइड ऑन टेनिस एल्बो। इसके कॉजेस क्या है, सिम्टम्स क्या है एंड व्हाट आर इट्स ट्रीटमेंट ऑप्शंस दैट विल हेल्प यू गेट टू अ पेन फ्री लाइफ वंस अगेन, कि आप अपने डे टू डे एक्टिविटीज फिर से कर सको। अभी पहले समझते हैं कुछ बेसिक एनाटॉमी एंड व्हाई दिस एक्चुअली हैपेंस। नाउ यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट योर एल्बो जॉइंट हैज सर्टेन टेंडन्स। टेंडन का मतलब होता है अ स्ट्रक्चर दैट कनेक्ट्स अ बोन टू अ मसल। So imagine you have a certain group of muscles जिसे हम बोलते हैं extensor muscles of your forearm. This help in the extension of your wrist. These muscles originate from a particular point in your elbow joint which we call the lateral epicondyle. आपके लैटरल एपिकॉन्डाइल से शुरू होता है ये टेंडन विच देन बाइफरकेट्स एंड गेट्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड टू वेरियस मसल्स ऑन द एक्सटेंसर साइड ऑफ योर फोरआर्म। ये जो टेंडन रहता है, जब उसका डीजेनरेशन या ओवरयूज या स्ट्रेन होता है ड्यू टू एनी रेपिटेटिव एक्टिविटीज और ओवरयूज ऑफ दैट टेंडन, there is a condition that is called as lateral epicondylitis, which is known as tennis elbow. पहले the belief was that there was inflammation, acute inflammation of that particular tendon, लेकिन latest research has shown that this is actually a degenerative condition and due to overuse injuries and slowly micro tears happening in that tendon, over time उसे damage होता है and now it is known as a tendinopathy, which means you have caused some amount of damage to that tendon and this is now causing you that extreme pain in your elbow joint. अब ये किससे होता है? बहुत लोग हमारे पास आते हैं और बोलते हैं मैंने तो आज तक टेनिस खेला ही नहीं है, I have not even lifted a tennis racket, मुझे टेनिस एल्बो कैसे हो गया? So you need to understand that इसका नाम was given as tennis elbow because it was frequently seen in tennis players. But at the end of the day, our body is the same whether you are a tennis player or not a tennis player, which means that due to repetitive movements of your forearm and wrist, which was commonly seen in tennis players, this condition can happen to absolutely anybody. So whether you are a recreational gym goer and you are doing certain exercises and weightlifting, whether you are a chef or a homemaker who is actually cooking at home, whether you are someone who's driving the car a lot and unke movements with the steering wheel are extensive, tennis elbow can happen to anyone. It is not based on your occupation, it is based on the certain movement that you are doing again and again, which is causing that overuse and strain to that exact tendon. In fact, kahi baar this also happens with a lot of people who spend a lot of time on the desk. They are using the mouse a lot, they are using the keyboards a lot, they are also resting their elbows on a hard surface. They can also get tennis elbow. Another subset of population that gets tennis elbow a lot are newer parents, because they are holding their kids and carrying their kids in a particular manner. They are straining their forearm muscles and the tendon does get damaged over time. अभी मेन इसमें सिम्टम्स क्या होता है इज दैट यू गेट acute pain in this particular spot and it is extremely painful. Trust me, जिसे टेनिस एल्बो होता है सिर्फ वो ही डिस्क्राइब कर सकता है कि वो कितना पेनफुल हो सकता है. There are times when patients come to us और वो कहते हैं कि डॉक्टर हम ये पेन भी नहीं उठा पा रहे, हम ये ग्लास ऑफ वाटर भी नहीं उठा पा रहे. So the main symptom that we face is pain. Of course, pain के साथ आता ही है restriction in movement, because when you have extreme pain, you are unable to fulfill your day-to-day activities and there will be restriction of movement of your elbow joint and you will not be able to use your arm as much as you would like to. अभी आप बोलोगे डॉक्टर मनन मुझे टेनिस एल्बो हो गया है, मैं करूँ क्या? So the first thing I will tell you to do is that to try and understand कि आपको ये क्यों हुआ. आपके सिचुएशन में वो ट्रिगर पॉइंट या ट्रिगर फैक्टर क्या था दैट वाज अप्लाइंग दैट मच प्रेशर एंड स्ट्रेन ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर टेंडन. सो लेट्स अज्यूम यू आर अ न्यू जिम गोअर और आपने सडनली वेट लिफ्टिंग या स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग स्टार्ट की है. try and reduce the intensity or the volume or the amount of weight you are actually lifting, and you will realize that when you apply lesser and lesser load on this tendon, the pain reduces itself. Similarly, if you are a desk job person, please try and focus on your workplace ergonomics. Try and change the way you are working. Try and apply lesser pressure on your elbow joint. Try and change the way you place your keyboard and mouse, or reduce the number of hours that you are using them, and you will notice that there is significant relief. If you are actually an athlete और आप टेनिस प्लेयर हो और आपको टेनिस एल्बो हो चुका है, you should definitely get evaluated, but also focus again on your intensity and the amount of load that you are putting on the tendon. You can focus on your actual technique. You can focus on strength and conditioning exercises to improve the strength in that tendon and increase the load that that tendon can take, and over time you will get over this condition. Similarly, if you're a new parent, try and find out which activity is causing the pain. Is it pushing the stroller? Is it picking up your kid time and again? Or is it carrying the child for long duration? जब आप वो ट्रिगर पॉइंट या ट्रिगर फैक्टर आइडेंटिफाई करोगे, एग्जैक्टली उसी को आप रिड्यूस करो and you will notice your pain going down. Now let's come to the treatment options. I can completely understand that tennis elbow can be a nagging problem. It can go on from weeks to months, and in some cases we get patients जो कहते हैं कि this is going on for even 1 year. It can be very frustrating. Step by step, let's go through all the options that you have. The first one is pain and anti-inflammatory medication. When we as orthopedic doctors evaluate you and we see that we can suppress the pain and take away some of the inflammation so that you can actually go through the rehab exercise protocol and do all the tennis elbow exercises, we put you on these pain medications. अब exercises की बात कर ही ली है, so let's move on to that. There are a variety of exercises and stretches for a condition of tennis elbow, and you have to do these sincerely. This is the only way you will truly overcome this condition, by actually strengthening this tendon. If you want me to make an entire video on instant pain relief exercises for tennis elbow as well as a tennis elbow rehab protocol, comment below exercises for tennis elbow and I will make this video just for you. Before proceeding to the third option, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe. I go out of my way to make these videos for you, और थोड़ा support would be very much appreciated. The third option that we have is icing. Local application of ice for 10 to 15 minutes 2 to 3 times per day, followed by applying a pain relief gel in that exact spot. The next option is a tennis elbow brace. There is a particular tennis elbow brace which is worn in this exact spot. What this does is it reduces some of the pain and it reduces the load and pressure and strain that goes on that exact tendon. You will notice कि वो strap पहनने के बाद you are able to do a lot of the activities that you are not able to do. But please remember, this is only to reduce the pain. It is not a cure. The next option is injections, and this is what I specialize in. While a lot of the orthopedic surgeons are still giving corticosteroid injections to reduce the inflammation and pain, what I truly believe in is PRP injections for tennis elbow, which is platelet-rich plasma injections, to actually help you with the right growth factors and healing properties injected straight into the tendon. If you want me to make a completely separate video on PRP for tennis elbow, please drop a comment saying PRP for tennis elbow. And the last option, and very honestly ये condition में बहुत rare होता है, is tennis elbow surgery, where a small cut is taken and the part of the tendon which is damaged is scraped away and then it is attached or repaired using a suture anchor. And that's it. You now have all the answers that you need to help you if you are suffering from tennis elbow. मैं जानता हूँ tennis elbow काफी frustrating हो सकता है, but with the right guidance and expertise, you can find the solution and get over this. Honestly, मुझे भी tennis elbow in the past हुआ है and I am now completely cured from it. Please check out the description for more details. If you actually want to consult me personally, you can also check the link in the description. If you have any other questions, do drop them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Like always, please show your support by hitting the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video.